All right, on today's rainy airplane episode, of course, we're servicing the hydraulics because we have an hydraulics issue. So basically, show you what's going on. Today's episode, I had to change this, I had to change this line, and now we're going to service up our center hydraulics all the way up, and then we're going to turn on hydraulics and do an ops check. Pressurize the system, of course. Lots of rain today, lots of rain. And you could hear the hydraulics pump servicing up. This is your numbers right here. It's raining, so gotta bear with me. Right now it's going up nice and slow. That's the gauge right here. And as you can see, I'm in my rain pants, of course. Gotta be fully geared. And I'm just waiting for it to be fully serviced. So I have to show you the next step. Next step, we go all the way up. And we gotta do an operational check to make sure everything is good. Airplane savvy. Zoom in a little bit so you can see what's going on. This is your hydraulic pump right here. This is your center hydraulic reservoir. All the way back nice and slowly. And today we're working on a Boeing 767-400. And no, I cannot show you the airline's logo, for I'm not sure if it's allowed purposes. But showing you how everything works, that's not a problem. But I try my best to keep the logo away from it. But know that I work for all airlines. When you're in this business, we want all our passengers to be safe. I don't care what airline it is out there. It could be like 55, 65 different airplanes, different carriers, it doesn't matter. Safety is always priority. Just remember that. I'm Shane Stallions, and I'm reporting to you live on the scene, baby. We're almost there. Let's check again to see where our gauge is at now. Go up nice and slowly. Oh. Zoom in a little bit. Yep, we're going up. Almost there. As soon as we reach the full mark, we go on to the next step. But now, you guys could enjoy the beautiful rain while I get wet. I'm just kidding, I'm not really wet. I'm in a full rain gear. Even though it's cold outside, it's a rainy night. I know it's winter, we're supposed to have snow, but tonight is rain for some reason. To give you a hint, Christmas just passed, by the way. Just to give you a hint that we going on to the future. You know what I mean? Christmas is all over. We're going forward. That's all I could say. So, make a guess. Are we still in 2023 or we just entered 2024? Leave your guess in the comments. All right, let's check again. All right. Once I pressurize the system, which is should be a few minutes from now, we should have no leaks here, and we should have no leaks here. All right, come all the way down again, and I'm gonna slowly go back up here again, and then we're gonna check our gauge just by zooming in. So far, we're at, wow, 70%, almost in the green. A couple more pumps and we'll be in the green, which would be at about between 90 and 95% is good. Even 99%. We don't want to be 100%. Gotta leave a little bit of room, pressurization purposes. Yep. All wet. Some people might say, I recognize that uniform, but nope, no, you don't. All airlines use these bright, reflecting uniforms in the rain because it's for safety. If a vehicle is driving by or something is going or a tug, you want to make sure they could see you. For safety reasons, you don't want nobody to hit you with a truck, right? Yeah, it's all safety. Bright colors, reflectors, bright lights. Yeah. Talking about lights, I have one headgear on. Plus, I have this big flashlight that, when you turn it on, it becomes super bright. There you go. See how bright it is? That's how we do it. All right, let's try again. Where we at? Where we at? Not there. We want to pump this hydraulic nice and slowly. Yeah, you do not want to do this thing too fast. We're doing good. Almost near the green. We're getting there. Nice and slowly. I can let you hear the pump going. That's pumping the hydraulics. But here it goes. There it goes. A nice setup. It's a big hydraulic carton here. The nitrogen pumps the hydraulics through this line, goes up to the airplane. These tires look brand new. See? Brand new tires, ready for takeoff whenever we finish. Tires, brakes. Maybe I could use this as my thumbnail. Let's see. We'll see. Everything looks nice, beautiful, brand new.